Hey guys, Greg from CarID.com, and today you and I are going to take a look at one serious suspension kit that can turn your stock JK Wrangler into a trail warrior. This is Teraflex's short arm 4-inch suspension lift kit with 8 flex arms, and it may just be exactly what you need to take your four-wheeling to the next level. Now, regardless if you're a seasoned off-roader or maybe you're just getting into the hobby, one thing that we can all agree on is that bigger is always better, and a suspension lift is the perfect place to start for any rig. And when it comes to serious suspension kits for anything and everything Jeep, I couldn't think of a better company to showcase than the team over at Teraflex. Now, Teraflex has been professionally involved with Jeeps since the 1950s, so this team has more than enough experience to make your Jeep perform at its absolute best. They have consistently revolutionized the Jeep aftermarket with incredible innovations, and they were even the first company to develop the first suspension lift kit for the TJ Wrangler. Now, it's because of amazing heritage like this that I just had to check out their JK short arm 4-inch lift kit, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. So this is it, Teraflex's 4-inch short arm lift kit for JK Wranglers. Now, when it comes to JK Wranglers, this lift kit classifies more on the extreme side than your basic coil spring spacer lift. But with that, you get a lot more, including front and rear 4-inch lift coil springs designed with the perfect spring rate for your Jeep. This gives you civilized street driving, but also a trail machine that can climb anything. This Teraflex short arm kit also includes both front and rear upper and lower flex arms that are fully adjustable, so you can dial in all of your alignment angles perfectly. Now, these flex arms are also built to be a hell of a lot stronger than your factory control arms. They are designed and manufactured from thick steel tubing with oversized durable flex joints that are also fully greasable. But that's just the beginning. This kit gives you absolutely everything, from the front adjustable track bar to front sway bar disconnects, new rear sway bar links, and all the necessary brackets and hardware needed to install it. But you may have noticed that this particular kit doesn't include one of the most important components, and that is a set of shocks. Well, the good news is that Teraflex does in fact offer this 4-inch short arm kit with a set of their own 9550 shocks at all 4 corners, but let's be honest, it's nice to have the option to get the kit without shocks if you do want to upgrade to something a little bit more serious. Alright, so at this point, we know exactly what's included in this kit, but how high is it going to lift your JK after it's all done? And you certainly don't plan on bolting up your stock wheels and tires, do you? Of course not. Well, you're going to be happy to find out that after installing this lift, you can easily run up to a 37-inch tire on your JK. To wrap things up with this review, guys, if you're looking for an affordable, extensive, and well-engineered lift kit for your JK Wrangler, look no further than this short arm kit from Teraflex. But hey, if you're looking for something either more extreme or maybe a little bit more basic, just head over to CarID.com to see what else Teraflex has to offer you for your Jeep. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time in the garage.